If you're trying to erase negative media mentions yourself, you're making it worse, and here's the fix. Here's the problem. Most attempts backfire within 72 hours. Never comment publicly on the article. Within 24 hours it climbs 40% higher in search results. Never hire a lawyer first. Legal demand letters get republished by 3 to 5 more outlets. When negative press hits, your instinct is to fight back fast. But the wrong move amplifies it. A local restaurant owner gets a hit piece published by a blogger in 2026. Within 48 hours, 6 competitors share it on social media. Traffic to that article jumps 200%. One wrong step, and Google indexes it permanently. You need a method that actually works without making noise. Most people fail here. They post a public response on the article itself or on social media. Every comment, every share, every retweet tells Google this content is trending. The algorithm pushes it higher. You just gave it rocket fuel. Within 3 days, that article ranks on page 1 for your brand name. Silence is your first weapon. Step 1 is suppression, not removal. You can't delete someone else's article in most cases, but you can bury it. Publish 8 to 12 positive or neutral brand assets across high-authority platforms. Google posts, LinkedIn articles, Medium posts, YouTube videos, all optimized for your exact brand name plus city. Within 14 to 21 days, those assets start to outrank the negative mention. Step 2 is de-indexing the source when possible. If the article violates Google's content policies, request removal through the Legal Removal Dashboard. This is important. You need proof of policy violation, not just disagreement. False facts, doxing, revenge content, or outdated arrest records qualify. Submit the exact URL and category. Google reviews within 5 to 10 business days. ReputationZilla handles this process for clients who lack the documentation experience. Here's the problem. If you skip suppression and go straight to lawyers or DMCA takedowns, you risk the Streisand effect. Media outlets love publishing follow-up stories about censorship attempts. One lawyer letter turns into 4 new articles. Your problem just quadrupled. Suppression first. Legal action only when you have a bulletproof case with documentation. Advanced move for 2026. Use Google's outdated content removal tool for articles older than 6 months that contain outdated facts. You don't need to prove defamation. You just need to show the facts changed. If the article says your business closed and you're still open, that's grounds for removal. If it mentions an employee who left 8 months ago, that's outdated. Submit through the Google Search Central Removal Dashboard. Copy this exact path. Google Search Console, Removals tab, Outdated Content, paste the URL, explain what changed with a date. The facts in this article from date are now outdated as of current date. Specifically, name the changed fact. Please remove this URL from search results per your outdated content policy. Never respond publicly within the first 72 hours. Suppress with 8 to 12 positive brand assets. Use Google's removal tools with proof, not emotion. ReputationZilla manages negative media suppression for business owners. Visit ReputationZilla.org to get started. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.